Hello guys, so in this video we will talk about how we can create a basic Node.js server using Express. So let's start. First we should discuss about what is ExpressJs. So basically Express is the framework of Node.js designed to build APIs, and it will provide you broad features for building your mobile and web applications. It is a layer that built on the top of Node.js that will help you to manage your routes and your servers. Now we can start with the Express server. First we have to initialize the npm, which is Node Package Manager. Basically it is a manager which will help you to install the dependencies in Node.js. So I am using this command npm init, and it will ask me some questions, some basic questions like the package name is Node.js, version is 1.0.0, description, entry point should be index.js, okay, test command, get repository, keywords, and we have to press enter only, author, license, is this okay? So these are all the details which we have entered here. Press yes, okay. It will give you a package.json with all the details which you have mentioned here. Next, as we have mentioned that the entry point should be index.js, so we have to create a file with index.js, and since we have to use Express, so we have to install the dependency by using npm I, you can say npm install Express. So for installing, currently I am installing Express. If you want to install anything, you can use npm install and that package name. Now it will create a package log.json and also node modules. Inside that there are a couple of modules. In package.json we can see that we have Express inside dependencies, and 4.18.1 is the version of Express which we have installed. So basically in package.json you can see all the dependencies which you can install inside these dependencies. Moving on to the coding part, in index.js, first we have to import Express. So for that we can use const express equals to require Express. By using this require keyword we can import anything. Now in Express we can see that this is a function, so we can take that in one variable, const app equals to Express. Now we can see that there is Express. Now we have to listen that on some port, so we can use app.listen on, let's say, 3000. For more clarity I am using console.log. Server is listening on port 3000. Now let's check. Now we can see server is listening on port 3000. If we go to our web browser, localhost 3000, we can't see anything because we haven't set anything on slash. So for that we can use app dot get, we have to set on slash. Now we can say request response and give a callback. Here we have to send something, so we can use res.status. In status I am using 200, then dot send. We have to send something, so let's say hello Express. Let's check this again. Now we are able to see hello Express. Okay guys, so that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.